Hi guys, thanks for joining me on my channel, OWELL Cosmetics. Today we're going to be making a conditioning hand soap. We'll be making it pink, and we're going to put them in these really cute glass bottles. Anyways, it's going to be really just pretty pink conditioning hand soap that I'm super obsessed with because they look really cool. You'll see when we're done. Some of the ingredients we have in our conditioning hand soap that make it so conditioning are cocoa glucoside. Okay, that's a non-ionic surfactant. It also helps solubilize our fragrance oil. And I'm fragrancing this one just like a honey almond fragrance, which is not pink, but I just really wanted to do pink. So there you go, pink. We also have, as our humectants, we have glycerin and sodium lactate and propendial. So we have a lot of humectants to draw in moisture and to hydrate the skin. We're also using honeyquat as a cationic surfactant, and it conditions the skin. Now, normally you can't use a cationic and an anionic surfactant together, but this cationic ingredient, the honeyquat, is actually formulated to work with anionic surfactants. I get so tongue-tied saying all these words. And then we'll be using AOS 40. It's another anionic surfactant. And that's kind of our biggest bubble maker. The cocoa glucoside is non-ionic and it's very mild. So it's mild cleansing, mild bubble, mild foam. And as we all know, we think we're cleaner when there's more bubbles. Like, it's just a thing. And then we're using Crofix as our thickener. So it's going to be a pretty simple recipe. It should be pretty fun to make. And it looks really pretty in the bottle. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to use our cocoa glucoside, and it's 45.35. I guess I'll turn this on. It says hello. And it's already tared out, and 45.35 is what we want. 45.35. There we go. Spot on. And now we're using the cocoa glucoside to solubilize our fragrance oil. Okay, so you have to do the cocoa glucoside and the fragrance oil first. All right, so 9. This is honey almond. And so we're going to stir really well. If you guys can see. There we go. So right now we're solubilizing that fragrance oil, since it's the only oil really in our recipe here. Smells divine, I must say. This was actually a free sample that Make Your Own sent me. They have all sorts of stuff for body washes and lotions and all of that. So I'm not affiliated. They just have a lot of good stuff. Although the shipping is a little slow right now. But I'm sure that's a COVID thing. So okay. Next, if I can get my screen, there we go. So next we're going to add in our glycerin. So we'll tear that out. And 45.35 glycerin. I got a new bottle there. 45.35, 45.35, 45.35. All right. And then sodium lactate. Also going to be 45.35. These are all our humectants. So this is what makes this soap recipe conditioning. There we go. And then propendial is our last real humectant here. And that is 2721. 2721. I don't know if you guys can hear the seagulls in the background, but they are going crazy. There must be low tide or something. Or a big boat just came in. Let's see. What am I doing? 27. Yeah, I'm not a good multitasker. Sorry, the seagulls got me all distracted there. So we got our propendial. Let me give this a stir. Let's make sure it's all coming together here. Let's see, it already wants to make some bubbles just with the cocoa glucoside. And then we're going to tear that out. Add in our honeyquat, 2721. Tear, my lovely. 2721. Okay, and then AOS, and oops, that's not the right button I wanted, and tear, and we'll restart it because I have no idea what I just pressed. There we go. So AOS 226.75 is our main anionic surfactant. 226. I have to go grab, oh, nope, oops, a little bit over there. But I thought we were going to run out. And then we're going to add our Crothix. Here we go. I do have to pH adjust this. Alright, so we do need to pH adjust this soap mixture because cocoa glucoside has a pretty high pH. So I have a 40-60 citric acid mix here. I'm actually just going to spray a couple little sprays in there. I'm going to stir it and we're going to test the pH. So make sure this is stirred really well. Okay. Put this in there. Stir this really well. And this is about should be a 10% solution. Alright, so we go on. And I'll just kind of wait here. So we're still reading pretty high. We're at 6. Perfect. All right, so I just hit 5. So I am totally happy with that adjustment, and I'm going to leave it at that. It's just 5, but I think that's perfect. All right, I'll have to rinse this off. All right, so let's see. Okay, well, now that we have pH adjusted this, we are free to pour into our glass container here. Try and not make a mess. There we go. That one's a little messy. And we'll pop on our lid after I clean it up. And it will be beautiful, just like this. Ta-da! There we go. All right, so that was our lovely hand soap. It's really pretty. You can kind of see all the colors and shiny, and I don't know. I just really love this soap. It makes me happy. So yes, so our conditioning hand soap, it has lots of humectants, lots of emollients. It will not skyrocket your pH because we did pH adjust it, so it's the same as our skin now, which is great because that's typically the issue with cleansers, is that they raise your pH, and raising your pH too much can cause dryness and damage. So it's really important to have pH balanced products when it comes to the skin, and our skin is naturally around 5.5 or so. So anything in that range we can be pretty happy with. All right, guys, thank you so much. I had fun labbing it up with you. We need to think of a catchphrase. I had fun whipping it up with you. If you guys have a good catchphrase for me, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my Etsy shop for all my other products. I do sell a lot that I don't show on YouTube. So I have some great little gems in there. Go check it out. All right, thanks guys. Bye.